Hi, hello. Welcome to our channel. If you are watching first time for this channel, do subscribe and hit a bell icon so that you notified for the every job that we post. And coming to the topic, Capgemini is hiring for the 2019 and 2020 batch, and all over Indians can apply. And it is only particular for the women's. Only women's are allowed for this job. There is no men will be allowed for to apply this job. And coming to the company name, the company name is Capgemini. As we know that Capgemini is one of the leading company along the world. And coming to the experience required, there is no minimum and maximum requirements for the experience. If you have a zero experience, that means you are a fresher. There is no need to worry. You happily apply. If you have a 1 year experience, you can happily apply. If you have 2 years experience, you can easily and happily apply. And the job role is graduate trainee engineer. The salary of this job is depending on your skills and the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria to apply this job is you must be passed out in the year of 2019 or 2020. Only these 2 years pass out students will be allowed. And you must have the 60% in all the academics like 10th class, 12th, diploma or graduation in all the 8 semester. Or in MCA or MTech, you must have the 60%, and there is only 1 year of educational gap between your academics will be allowed. There is no gap will be allowed after diploma, and the educational qualification in the specific domain only allowed. That means you must have the BTech if you completed the BE or MCA. If you have completed BTech, then you must have the educational qualification in the IT sector, CSE, EEE, ECE, electrical and electronics and infrastructure and instrumentation. This is the only specific domains in the BTech students will be applied. The MTech students should must have form mentioned specification only. That means information technology, IT, information science, computer science and computers. And you must have the proficiency in the English in written and spoken skills. And only this eligibility criteria accepted, and if you have this all qualification, then the students will be shortlisted for the further rounds. The selection process is consist of 5 rounds. That means first 4 rounds will be like testing your behavior, aptitude and technical skills, and fifth round is a personal interview and the HR round. And first round is a technical assessment of pseudocode. It will be easy round for you if you have a basic knowledge in the programming. And if you are selected in the first round, then you are entered into the second round. In the second round, it consists of multiple choice questions. That means your basic English will be checked in this, like paragraph and communication and basic English required to be selected in the second round. If you are qualified in one and second round and you are entered into the third round happily. It is a game based aptitude test. Here they check the aptitude skills of yours. If you are selected in this also, you can happily enter to the fourth round. Fourth round is behavior competency profiling, and here they check your behavior, how you perform, how you behavior by them. It is a very easy round for who are selected for the all 3 rounds compared to the fourth round will be the perfectly easy round to all of you. And if you are selected into 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds, then you can happily enter into the final stage, technical and HR interview. In technical interview they ask the about the technical skills like programming language or testing or software domains, what you have interest, what they require, they ask in the technical session. And in the HR round they discuss about the job role and relocation, or you accept or not accept it, or they can may ask about the your documents and they verify in the HR round, and they ask your salary expectations. If you prepare for the this all basic questions, and you can easily crack the technical and HR round together. And I provide this all the details in the description and the apply link in the description. You can happily check there, and I hope you can easily apply by the description I provided in below session. And I recommend to you all to apply this job. And finally, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit a like button. And if you have any doubt, if it is a small doubt or big doubt, please comment in the below. I surely reply for you all your comments. And finally, thank you, and I hope luck follows you. Thank you.